You're the one that started it. When you brought this short engine into this compound to insult me, were you not thinking?
Hey, is it that you're calling team? Respect yourself before it becomes our own. Ah, what is talking there? Put your eyes. Will you shut up, Mama, and let me talk? Just pray. Pray to God that nothing happens to my mother. If not, this compound will not continue.
Please, what kind of prayers do you want me to start praying? I am scared, though. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You started this war. When you were busy stroking the fire, you never realized that one day it would burn. Did you ever think that a day like this would ever come? You did not.
I won't say anything. I won't say anything until tomorrow. Let my mother not get well. Then you will see my true colors. Let's go.
Your color is not hidden. Your color is not hidden. You cannot be fair and black at the same time. True color indeed. You don't even know your color. Because if you knew, you wouldn't have stepped in here.
Okoro, my brother.
They will judge.
You see, I am the oldest man in this family. And as such, I am the father of this family.
Nobody is disputing that.
Yes, we, your brothers, have gathered here on your behalf just to deliberate on your issue. This question of childbearing. Since your first wife, your second wife, has not been able to give you a son, just like your first wife, we are suggesting that you bring in the third wife, so that we can get what we want.
Yes, it is true, my brother. You know it is a taboo for you to die without anyone to continue your lineage. Therefore, since your two wives have failed to give you a son, you must marry a third wife. Yes, it is proper.
Yes. It's okay. I've heard you. There you dodge. Let me ask you one question. How many wives are in your compound?
Okoro, I hope you understand what he's telling you or what he's saying. I have one wife, but she has been able to give me a son.
Forget about the pot. Ndodi, how many wives are in your compound?
I have one, but she has...
Forget about the pot! Both of you have one wife each, and I have two. And you are advising me, Okoro, to take a third wife, so that my house will be a war zone. If I get a third wife, don't you think they will burn my house down? Okay, Rerunu, it will not work for you. Don't blame me. I blame my G for not giving me a son.
Don't go there.
But it is not my fault.
Don't go there.
Don't help me! Don't help me! I don't blame you people! Don't blame! No! I don't blame any of you! You can go ahead and say whatever you like! But I'm going to tell you are quarreling. I said we are quarreling. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. When you're questioning them, when you're questioning them. I don't blame them. I don't blame them at all. It is not their fault. It is my fault. They want me to marry another wife. Well, they have only one. It will not work. Is it because my wives are giving me only girls? And that's why they want me to marry. I will not marry another one. Is it my fault? Is it my fault? Is it my fault that my wife gives me only girls? It will not work. Whatever they tried, I say it will never work. For me, Okoro, to marry a third wife, two are giving me problem. That means if I marry the third one, my house will be on fire. No, it will not work. Nothing will ever make it work. God forbid. Look at a mistake they lured me into. And they want to lure me into a third wife. It cannot work. Nothing will ever make it work. To marry a third wife.
Look at you. I was giving peace for my husband. Until if I can walk away, then peace came. Since then, we have had no peace. I've never seen this kind of thing.
Shameless woman. At your age, you can't say the truth. Common truth. There is nothing like truth in your mouth.
Hey, do you even know the meaning of truth? Do you know the meaning?
If I don't know the meaning of truth, at least I know that you are a big liar. You're a big, very big one.
See who's talking. I'm a big liar. You are a slim and tall liar. Yes, now. The poor one will fight you. Ifuli.
The day I will touch you, I will use this back leg, I will use
front. If I hit you with the front leg, oh my God.
Don't know what I
What is it? So, both of you have sworn that I will not know peace in my house. Is that so?
Nani, but how can you have peace when you went and brought in this woman into this compound? What were you expecting?
Because you don't know anything. Because you don't know how to perform. That was why
shut up.
You came and
I said shut up, but
it's
shut
his
up.
fault.
It's okay. I said it's okay. I don't want to hear. Bring me again from your mouth. Oh yeah, go to your house.
Nani, all my friends,
Give me hand.
if I can the umbrella has visited.
all the man.
You said who no man?
Well, I can't be a roller.
Okay,
I will deal with you. Just be ready.
You making
Yeah, far from young Kiria forward. And I mustn't win with our mind now.
Woman, where are you going to?
I just got a call that Uju and her mother have started again. And from the look of things, it looks like they are fighting my mother.
Oh my God. Oh, so people have started again? You have decided to turn your father's house into a war zone, eh? Every day fight. Can't there be peace for 1 minute in that house?
Tony, I am telling you that I might not be coming back from the village today.
Oh my goodness.
Bye-bye. I'll see you later. I'm going.
God. What type of temptation is this one? Huh?
Okay. I want to know why you and your mother went to fight my first wife after I've settled the matter early this morning.
Huh? Mama? Oh my God. Papa, what did you just say now? Okay! And her evil mother.
Hey! Don't call me such name again.
Shut up. Would you? I said shut up. Okay. Answer my question.
Papa, I only went to inquire why she called my mother a witch. And she started pushing us out.
Hey! Hey! Okay, you can lie.
You just lie like your mother. But I don't expect anything less. A liar will always give birth to a liar.
I'll get liar.
Everybody keep quiet. Now listen. I married two of you for you to give me a male child in this company. But none of you could do that.
Okay, here I am.
None of you could do that.
I can see.
Instead, you denied me peace. You denied me happiness. I am no longer a man in this village. What exactly do you want from me? Do you want me to die in my early age? Or do you want to send me to my early grave?
You're not going to die. No, you're not going to die.
So you die and live with me. This one. Papa, when you are done, because I want to know why this Oge here will fight my mother.
I said, what is
What's the problem? Why are you crying? For God's sake, why are you crying?
This is how I lost my father. Just like that.
Who's that made to go to the village?
So you people have finally succeeded in killing that man, eh? So Okoro is dead. I want you to believe about this thing. Everyday fight, eh? You turned that place to Iraq and Iran zone, eh? Just imagine. Oh my God. Now you will learn your lesson. You will learn your bitter lesson. If you like, be in peace in that house. If you like, don't. Eh? What is all this? Creating expenses now for we the in-laws. Eh? That one died out of your child carelessness. Quarrel here and there. Eh? Oh my God.
Nnem, Okoro's wives are just a bundle of disgrace to womanhood. Eh?
I don't know why these people cannot just live in peace. Eh?
Now that they have succeeded in killing their husband, is it better for them?
See how they have just made themselves widows just like that.
Now that their husband is no more, I just pray they learn their lessons.
I hope so too. If they like, let them learn their lessons. Otherwise, who knows what more tragedy awaits them.
That's their problem. Nne, you say it's 3 cups of water.
Are you serious about selling me 3 cups?
No, it's 3, my dear. Don't worry. I'll put Jara for you. You're my friend.
My co-wife. Now we're done with longing. It's time for us to get on. But the thing I want to discuss now is the issue on ground. I think we have to call a truce and have peace in this family. Yes. Because united we stand, but divided we will fall. When the in-laws and all the people around begin to come in here to claim what our husband left behind, how do we fight them if we are not united? So I am suggesting that we have peace and understanding in this compound so we can move forward.
You said the right thing, but as far as I'm concerned, I have never been the problem. I am a peace-loving woman, and I am ready to live in peace with you, even any other person.
That is good to hear. And from now on, I will call you Peace. That is your new name. Eh?
Your name is also Peace.
Thank you. Well, we will try. And as for those our daughters that come into this compound to make us fight each other, we need to ignore them. We need to tell them to stay back in their husband's home. You know they come here, cause trouble, then they return to their husband's homes and they relax and enjoy themselves. No fighting. While they come here to pump and put fuel, no more. We say no to them. What do you think?
Everything you said is okay. Accepted.
Okay.
Let me go to my apartment.
Okay, my sister. My co-wife.
Oh, darling.
When I cook, I will bring some for you.
Even me, when I cook yam, I'll bring for you.
That also. There's nothing like peace in this life. With peace, a lot of things are possible. Don't forget.
Maybe she's tired of making waves with me and then looking for peace. Peace.
You have to be very careful of this thing. This is what she's talking about, peace. Look at what she's up to.
I am not a child. I am not a child. My nature concern is that houseboy that left ever since our husband died. Very soon your husband will start complaining. And I don't like it. I wouldn't want that. Which is...
There's this woman that lives with us in nature. She runs house of food. So I'm going to ask her in the bar. I'm going to have her go and my voice to the
Hey! Nice one! That's very good. I like it.
You will see I'll start going. The door is getting back. I don't know. Make sure you do that.
Safe journey. I will. Thank you. Bye. Safe journey. My regards to your husband. Make sure you enter a nice bus, so. Eh?
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
I hope you slept well.
Yes, I did. And you?
I did, thank you. Because Mama Ogi, I was wondering, I don't know, this girl that we asked to be coming to sweep the compound, has she been around or what?
Oh, that's true. I've not seen anybody.
Children of these days.
How?
Their ears are for fancy. Eh?
They are the same thing everywhere.
Well, let us keep hoping that she will still come.
I hope so.
Okay. Come, Balo.
It's okay.
Okay.
Did you people use night bus?
No, Mama. She slept in our house in Onitsha and early this morning we left.
Hey.
Yes, Mama. Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, my dear. How are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
Nchedo. Nchedo, I'm from Nsukka.
Iwu. Nchedo Nsukka. Welcome.
Nchedo, this is my mother. The woman you will take care of. Very good care of. Is important. Have you heard? No problem. No problem at all.
Nsubado, come, let's go inside. Huh?
My co-wife made arrangements to get herself removed. And she didn't even deem it fit to let me. So, no matter how hard you try to make them know peace and love peace, they will never embrace peace. We are not in good terms with them. Don't greet them. Don't talk to them. In fact, don't even acknowledge they stay in this compound. Do you hear me?
Auntie, I've heard you. But my mother in the village told me that I should always greet my elders whenever I meet them in the road. Because I will not know when I will meet an angel.
This woman and her daughter are not angels. In fact, they are devils. Hey. And if you know how you avoid devils, avoid them.
Okay, so I've heard you too. But my pastor in the church also taught us that our full human beings are not evil.
Now I am telling you that these people are devils.
Hey! Stop this. Take her inside. Show her around first. Then before all these instructions.
Mama, I'm rushing back to Onitsha right now. That's why I want to give her this important information. Because it's very important.
Mama, thank you.
Carry your bag. Go.
Well done, oh. You've done so much this morning. You're a very hard-working young girl. You will wash, you will sweep, you will clean the house. That's very good. Well done, eh? Is it that she is deaf and dumb? This one she's not answering. Even if she doesn't even hear what I'm saying, at least she can see me standing in front of her. Can't she greet? See,
hey! What? What? Greeting is it by force? If someone doesn't want to greet you, won't you go? You talk that thing you're talking, you talk it by yourself. Leave me alone. Sorry for yourself. How dirty she.
I don't know what they told that girl. Do you know that this girl doesn't even talk to me? She doesn't greet me. In short, if I'm passing, it's like there's no one passing. I can't even send her on an errand. I don't know what they told her.
But Mama, I told you this before now. Oge and her evil mother don't need your peace. It is obvious they have fed that girl with lies about us. Yes.
But it's not nice now. How can all of us be living in this compound and we'll be fighting each other like cat and dogs? Oh my God. We need peace.
Mama, you cannot force peace on someone that doesn't want your peace. It's as simple as that. Let them be. Stay on your own now.
The thing is that my major problem here is that I need somebody that will help me, you know, run around, do some small errands. Just go tell you for Okili or something. Someone you can send. Is that all? Yes. Okay, yes. See if I can get it. Okay.
Are you mad or something?
Are you stupid? You're actually ruling the compound, sweeping half of it and leaving the rest. What's the matter with you? Are you stupid or something?
Hey, this woman, no. Leave me alone, no. How many times will I have to tell you not to touch me?
Hey.
If you're saying you can say whatever you want to say, but don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I can see you're mad. You know, you have no respect, but not in this compound. You must have it in this compound.
Disrespect. Eh? How do you expect me to sweep my portion and also to sweep your own portion for you? For what now?
I see. So this compound has been divided into two. You now share the compound into two. You sweep one side and then you leave the other side. You know what, my dear? It will not work. As the first wife in this compound, I will not tolerate it. Just listen and listen very well. Go and tell those people that have been feeding you with rubbish and lies that I said that you will not sweep half of this compound. It's either you sweep the whole compound or nothing gets swept. Do you understand me?
This man, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone. You are looking for somebody that people will say that she broke an old woman's waist for her. But it's not me, oh. It's not me that will break your waist for you, oh. Just leave me alone, oh.
Wait, this waist we are talking about, is it this waist? The waist that Okoro could not break.
I'll break it.
When a child like you think you can break this waist?
Okay. Let me go and tell my madam. I'll break your waist. Hey! Don't tell her waist.
Where is the noise coming out from?
You know that woman? Eh? That woman is looking for somebody that people will say that she broke her waist. But I told her that it's not me. It's not me that will break her waist for her. It's not me.
What did she do?
Now my auntie that brought me here, told me not to sweep the entire compound. That I should only sweep her own portion. As I was sweeping her portion, this woman just came out and started insulting herself.
Hey.
Let her go and ask about me, oh. Let her go and ask about me, Ubolo Nsuka. I'm from Ubolo Nsuka. Let her go and ask about me. See, I fought 3 heavy men like that and I defeated all of them. Don't talk of that woman. What you want to push, I'll give to her. She will die.
Don't even try it. Go and continue with what you're doing.
Tell that woman to talk to her. Talk to her.
You will sweep the entire compound.
Hey. Oh, madam. You are confusing my head. You are confusing my head. Until we come out and tell me to sweep half. You tell me to sweep all of them. I should go back.
Go and continue with what you're doing. Okay. You sweep the entire compound.
belongs to all of us. Eh? How can you drag sweeping of compound with a woman of her age?
My hair is full, though. If I confuse my hair.
Just go and sweep it. Oh, okay.
Look at sweep your half and half.
Nonsense.
Show you Torobo, hey, I'm up on us. In a Chamofu, I go show you Torobo, hey, I'm up on us. In a ball, Kata generator, maybe you will not respect. If I hold them, because
Chedo. Mama. Chedo, what is it?
Mama. Great thing happened in this compound. No.
Great things like what? What is it?
You see, because of that little thing that happened in the morning, that other auntie, that one that is white, she went and brought a girl for her mother too.
Are you serious?
I saw them now. They're outside now.
There's nothing that will not happen in this compound. So go and continue with what you're doing.
Okay.
And what is your name?
Amuche Chukwu. So, which part of Abakaliki are you from?
Izam.
Amuche. Listen very carefully. My mother's co-wife and her stupid daughter conspired and brought one useless girl that says she's from Nsukka, who has been insulting my mother since she came. I want you to deal with her. Don't give her space at all. Deal with her mercilessly until she runs out of this village. Did you hear me?
Auntie, you don't have to worry yourself. I'm coming straight for Abakaliki. Our people don't hear a word. If she hears where I am coming from, I believe she will just go into hiding. Also.
Okay. One more thing. No errand for them. Don't even talk to them. If she tries to talk to you, ordinary greeting. Give her the insult of her life. Buff her with insults. Yes. That is exactly what that useless girl has been doing to my mother.
Yes, sir. Enolia? Uncle, you don't have any problem.
Ngwa, go inside there.
Amuche. It's that girl. It's that mbo.
Mama, darling, I have this under control. Thank you.
Once Sukaya, we'll go to sleep very soon.
See, I want to cook for my mother, so you better do fast and leave this kitchen.
Am I the one you are talking to? Am I the one you are talking to? Answer me!
Is there any other person staying here with us? I'm talking to you. Do fast and leave this kitchen now.
Hey. Okay. If you want to cook, go ahead and cook. I am not stopping you.
Hey.
Can't you see we have something here? You can still go outside there and look for firewood. And start cooking now.
Hey! So you want both of us to start sharing bottom in this small kitchen? It's not possible. Biko, leave this kitchen. Let me cook.
Hey, stop it! See, stop it! Don't even try to talk to me in that manner. Don't even try it in your entire life. Are you mad?
Am I the one you are talking to like this? Am I the one? Me,
Amuche. Who are you? What is your name? Tell me, what are you called?
In fact, let me go and warn my madam. Because if I lay my finger on you, you'll find yourself in mortuary this morning.
Hey! Try it! Try it! Let's see both of us who will end up in mortuary. If you try it on your entire life, I will just break you too.
Okay.
See this your useless stature. I will break you too. Try it now! What are you waiting for? Try it! I'm coming. Hey! Hey! In fact, let me go and tell my madam too. Hey! Try it! Amuchi, who were you quarreling with at the back here?
Mama, you had better want that short girl. Whether she is from Musuka or anywhere, I don't care. Any day she tries me in this house, I will teach her the lesson of her laughter.
Amuchi, please. I want peace in this compound. Ignore that girl and mind your own business. Biko.
I will mind her, but any day she tries that again, I will use this my 2 hands and break her into 2.
These 2 hands. Forget her, Osuko. You go, let peace reign. Eh?
Later I go and ask about me and where I'm coming from.
Mama, nobody can intimidate us in the whole wide world. Let her go and ask about Musuka people. I am a daughter of Musuka and she cannot do anything. If she doubts me in this house, I will break her into 2. I'll break that Abakaleke girl into 2.
Uche, have you finished cooking?
It's very sweet.
Go and finish it fast because I'm hungry.
Mama, you're not saying anything about this thing now.
Uche, I said I am hungry. Go and finish what you do so I can eat.
Okay, let me go and do this.
I go show you Torobo. Hey, I'm up on awesome. In a chama Torobo. In a chamoku, I go show you Torobo. Hey, I'm up on awesome. In a mono tata generator. You wanna respect.
If you look at me, I will look at you. You are not the only one that have big eyes.
Hey. Okay. No problem. Let me finish cooking first. No problem. Let me finish cooking. Hey!
Hey, I'm up on awesome. In a chama Torobo. In a chamoku, I go show you Torobo. Hey, I'm up on awesome.
What are you doing here?
Sitting down.
Why are you not sweeping the compound?
Hey, Mama, I will not sweep this compound for that girl. Eh? Mama, it's either we divide this compound too. She will sweep half, I will sweep half. Like that my auntie that brought me here told me. I'm not her maid.
Uchedo, this compound belongs to our late husband. The same thing with us. And we are not sharing any part of it. So pick up your broom and sweep this entire place.
Hey, Mama.
Enano?
No, Mama, this one is cheating. Eh? Nobody will cheat me. Nobody will cheat me. See, it's good for us to divide this compound too. She'll sweep half, I will sweep half. Eh? No.
It's okay. Lawyer Obade. Madam,
hey,
suit yourself.
Yes. You divide it. That the Abakaleke girl is having big head and she thinks she can intimidate it. It's not possible. People. Today, from one end of the road to the other, then you go to the back, clear that dirt there, make sure everywhere is clean. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Mama, I will not be the only one sweeping this compound though. We have to be doing it rotationally. If I sweep today, she will sweep tomorrow.
Madam, I have heard you. But you see, that girl is sweeping this compound before you came. So now you're here for the first time. Sweep the whole compound.
Mama, if I go now, I will tell her. We have to be doing it turn by turn.
Chichi, when you're talking to me, you don't pull your ear Now squeeze your face. Go and get the broom and sweep the whole place. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay.
Baba, am I the one you're talking to? Okay, what is it?
This compound about tomorrow, you will be one to do this thing. After that, you will do it.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. But you see, this compound, I've been the one sweeping this compound since. So before we start sharing it, you will sweep all those ones that I've swept already. Oh?
Yay! Yay! So you want to tell me the ones that have been sleeping in my father's house? Yeah? Are you there? Are you there? Are you there?
I don't know. But since you have come, you sweep all of them, all the entire compound before we start sharing it. Oh?
Yay! See. Wait till you confess and you fail to sweep this compound, then I will show you that.
What will you do? Tell me, what will you do, Mabakaleke? What will you do?
See, I am not a fucking dog.
Hello?
But I am a biting dog. Wait till you confess and you fail to sweep this compound, then I will show you my aim.
Hey! Say why, but if you want to bite, you start biting all your people. Yes. Starting from your father. 1. To your mother. 2. To all your relatives.
Hey! Don't dare call them.
Or what? Or just for me. Or what? Or what? What will you do? That I'm living in this house. Just let me go and warn Mama again. For you. This is the second time. Let me go and warn her and come back. See what happens. Mama.
I go show you Torobo. Hey, I'm up on also.
When were you disturbing that gate?
I'm not disturbing everything.
Ichedu, were you not the one I asked to sweep the compound? You refused. Now someone else is doing it and you're disturbing her. Why?
I'm not disturbing anybody. She's the one that started it. Yes.
Let me warn you. You see this compound? It used to be a war zone. And we didn't get anything. Instead, it landed us being widows. Because our husband Okoro could no longer bear it. Nchedo, I wouldn't want anybody to take us back. Not even you. If you dare try it, you go back to Nsukka.
Hey, Mama, I'm not looking for anybody trouble. She's not a Abakaleke girl. She's the one that started it. See, Mama, I'm a peace-loving girl. But if that Abakaleke girl look for my trouble, Mama, I will break her into two.
You are not going to break anybody. You are not going to break her because I asked you to sweep the compound. You refuse. Hi. Okay. Okay, then put the money to tell him. Hi. Do it again. Let me teach you a lesson.
No. Hey, Mama. Okay.
Mama, you see that woman? She's the one that sent that girl to come and insult us and look for our trouble in this house.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm sure.
I see. I can see that woman is really looking for trouble. What kind of rubbish is this? You know, there used to be one in this family before our husband died. But I called her. I said, let us have peace. And she agreed. And now she's going back on her word. Said, yeah, no problem. She knows how it used to be then, before her husband died. The kind of war we used to have. She wants to go back to that page. No problem. That was part 1. Now we're going into part 2. And you know, normally part 2 is tougher than part 1. I will show that woman the kind of woman that I am. I will teach her a lesson she will never forget. Now watch her. If it's what she wants, war she will get.
I am here to remind you about what you spoke after our husband's death. You know we've been living in peace. And I'm suggesting if these 2 girls will cause us to go back to what we used to be before, let us send them back to their people. We've been managing, so let's continue managing.
I didn't even know this is what you came here to discuss. And I actually brought a seat for you to sit down. Hey, you know, you will never change. Yes, I thought you were a different person, but you can never ever change. You know what you are? A chameleon.
Me? Chameleon? What do you mean?
You want to know? Hey, look at you. Look at you. You think I don't know you're the one that sends that your nonsense girl, Nchedo, to come here and insult Amuchi and I? Treat us anyhow. And then you come here pretending that you don't know what I'm talking about. You know, you're the kind of person that walks elegantly to the back of the house, strikes a match, sets the whole place on fire. Then you quickly run to the front edge and you'll be screaming, fire, fire, fire. Hey, who set the whole place on fire? Well, it is you.
Amuchu, so at this my age, you will believe that I would do such a silly thing? Hey! Do you know that I almost sent that girl back to her people just because I found out that she was insulting your girl? And you opened your mouth to accuse me falsely. No problem. No problem. God, who judge both the secret and in the physical, will judge me and you.
He will judge us, so he will definitely judge us. Amuche!
Mama!
I hope you're not lying against
me. Lying what? Mama, don't lie you.
Are you sure that Mama told that Suka girl to come and insult us?
Mama, me too. Is she denying it? Hey, Mama.
What?
Don't mind that woman. Don't mind that woman. She's nothing but a pretender.
See, this thing is not a joke. I want to be sure that she's the one that sends that Suka girl. Are you sure?
Mama.
I want to know the truth.
Mama, I am very, very sure.
I was passing by. I overheard her telling that girl never to see me. That if I refuse to do it, that she will shoot me up.
Yeah? Mama, I overheard everything. She is the one behind everything that is going on in this compound.
ofu onwere onye ọbụla nwere ike ịgbasa anyị udo 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 ka mma. Let's live together.
I didn't see you. All this noise I heard last night, didn't you hear?
Is it from Mazioko's place?
Where else?
My sister. Uju and Oge went and brought mates for their mom.
Mates.
I'm telling you.
Mates this time
the mates are the ones terrorizing the whole community. They have turned everywhere to Iraq and Iran. Osama bin Laden. Nne.
When will there be total calmness from this family?
Hello.
Yeah? So they have resorted to adding more fuel to fight.
Is that why you're looking for me?
I only came to confirm.
Please go to where we are going. Onyasere.
Go, Joe. See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Don't you know how to greet someone that is older than you? Have you no respect?
Which respect?
Why am I even asking? You have no home training. Your parents obviously did not train you well.
Which respect, eh? Which respect are you talking about? When you and that Amuchi, that Abakaleke girl made my mother to be crying all through the night, eh? And you are here seeking for respect. Which respect?
Crying.
Crying. You are pretending as if you don't know. Because it was after coming to see you last night that she came in crying. But see, let me tell you, for me, I will not cry for anybody in this compound at all. I will not cry for anybody. But if anybody look for my trouble, I will bring that person too.
You will break somebody. You will deal with somebody.
I will deal with that person.
I'm not sure you know how short you are. Yes, you're a very short girl. And I can't see you dealing with anybody. How? Are you going to jump up to deal with the person or what?
See, you're not going to do me. Just try it. Try it and you will see. Try it.
You know what? We're not on the same level. All I have to do is send Amuche, my girl, to come and face you.
Hey.
Both of you are on the same page. You're too small for me to talk to.
Hey! Go her! I've been waiting for that shot. Hey. I've been waiting for that girl since. Go on, let's all come. Let's do it man to man. Let's do it bone to bone. Okay, you don't know I've been waiting for her since. Bring her. I said bring her. Let's try it man, bone to bone. Bring her out, oh. It has been a long time I've been waiting for this girl. Bring her. I said bring her out. Just bring her.
Thank you.
Thank God back there.
Is it my mother you are parenting for?
Yes. Hey! What?
Leave them to fight. After fighting, they will learn to respect their elders.
Uncle, just shut up. Don't call my name.
What have I done now? I told you to leave them, but you wouldn't listen.
You are very wicked.
Now they've broken your waist.
Are you no longer Udoka?
Is it the left side or the right side? Stupid idea. Igbo fish. Let's go inside.
My waist. Oh. One sucker, you killed me. How would you? Sorry, stop crying. Go and call my daughter, go and get my phone. Bring my phone so that you come okay for me. Tell her to come now. Where is your phone? It's inside my room. Okay. Get it inside my bag. Are you giving me? I said you should call Ogechuku. Tell her to come now. I don't know how to use this phone. You don't know how to use the phone. But you know how to shout. You know how to fight. That's the only thing you know how to do in this house. Simple call. You don't know how to. Go to this our neighbor. Tell her to call Ogechuku. Let her come now. You mean that man?
Who is it?
What is the problem?
Good day, sir.
What can I do for you?
His mama that sent me. She said I should come and check if any of your children is at home so that I can help her call her daughter on phone.
Call her daughter on phone? You too. So you don't know how to operate handsets?
As you become, It's not that I don't know how to operate handset though. But just that this type is confusing me small. Yes, it's still confusing me small.
Hey. All of them is at home.
Hey.
They went out. You can come back in.
Hey.
Go!
Okay.
Here and there.
Even that.
You don't know how to operate handset, but you know how to cause trouble here and there.
Hey. Oh, what? Okay. Hey. Okay.
Hello? Auntie? Auntie? You see that girl? I beat her well today. I showed her you brought me for Escalating. Even her mama, madam. I beat her well. I pushed her to the floor and she was shouting, my way, so. Yes, auntie. Okay. About that.
Even this Escalating girl knows how to call somebody. Chedo, you are so fat. There is nobody in their house except their father.
Look at phone. Phone that small girls and boys are using. They know how to operate it. At your age, you can't even pay a number.
Mama, it's not like I cannot use this phone. But this your type is confusing me. Mama,
How am I going to tell my daughter what is going on in her father's compound?
Mama,
That Mamuju and her house help, even one sucker, all of them go night together. Butchani menu bomb.
Mama, see, you see Amuchi, that Amuchi Escalating. I saw her when she was making call. She's calling and told you, and she said she pushed you and now beat me. Mama, but she think I didn't see. I saw her.
I know they have plans. They have plans. They want to do it something. They have plans. But God will not allow them to achieve it. My concern is call Oge. Tell Oge that they have killed her mother. Where is wrong with go? Just move around. Anybody you see, tell the person to bring out Oge's number inside the phone. Then you call her. Okay, let me carry you.
Hello? Auntie, talk to me. Hey! Oh, Auntie, is it network? Hey. What is it now? Hey. Hey! She has called again, though. Yes. Hello? Hey, it's me, Chodo. Hey, master, I share you. Auntie, talk to me now. What is it? Talk to me. Hello? Is it network that is supposed to be fixed? What is it?
The phone is still ringing now.
Eh?
Pick the call first.
What do you want me?
Press the button.
Hello? Hey, thank you. Hello, Auntie? Hey, it's me. Hey, Master, you should come back now. There is fire in the mountain in our house. Yes. You see that Abakaleke girl? That Abakaleke girl pushed Mama and Mama fell down. Her waist is shaking, yes. Auntie, come back, confirm Mama will die in that house. Come back. We are waiting, Okay. Thank you. Cut it. Let me go to our man.
They brought that girl so that she will send me to my early grave. Hey!
So you mean that girl pushed you to the floor?
She pushed me. You need to see the balance, the way she was positioning herself with the pushing. Before I know what was going on, I was already up. And landed bam, like caterpillar.
Hey.
Everything shattered.
Chedo, when all these things were happening, what did you do to that girl?
Hey, Auntie, I tried, but before you know it, Mama was already on the floor. And I rushed to help Mama out. Mama, please. Try, let me see. Let me see. Just try hard.
Hey!
That's the floor. You pushed my back to the floor.
Yay! They are with police,
So you brought this girl into this compound to beat up my mother, right?
Now you're the one that started it. When you brought this short engine into this compound to insult me, were you not thinking?
Hey, is it that we are calling team? Respect yourself before it becomes our own.
Ah, what is talking there? Put your knife. Will you shut up, your mother? Let me talk. Just pray. Pray to God that nothing happens to my mother. If not, this compound will not continue.
Please, what kind of prayers do you want me to start praying? I am scared, though. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You started this war. When you were busy stroking the fire, you never realized that one day it would burn. Did you ever think that a day like this would ever come? You did not.
I won't say anything. I won't say anything until tomorrow. Let my mother not get well. Then you'll see my true colors. Let's go.
Your color is not hidden. Your color is not hidden. You cannot be fair and black at the same time. True color indeed. You don't even know your color. Because if you knew, you wouldn't have stepped in here. Look at that short engine. Folks engine.
And let's go inside.
Hello, Auntie. Auntie, there is a war today. There is a big war today. Your mother's school wife called her daughter on the phone and she came back with some boy to come and kill your mother and I. If not for me, Auntie, they would have killed us. Okay. She's inside. Okay, bye-bye. Where are they? Come out! Come out! Hey, people! Auntie, welcome. Amuchi, ma, did anybody touch you? They wanted to, but I stopped them. Trust me now. I'm sure. She's sleeping. She's inside.
No. I need to see that fish. Where are they? Where? Mad woman. I can actually hear your voice from afar. Look at what your husband did to my mother. Let me tell you something. If my mother does not get better by tomorrow, this compound will not contain the both of us. I mean everybody. Look at you running that trash you call your mouth like a fool, like a parrot. Oh, you don't even know what brought me here. You think I came here to come and exchange words with you? Okay. Boys! I've seen something. What is church rats?
Uju, you called boys for us. You want to continue from where your mother stopped. How?
Were you not the first to call boys for my mother? Which? Hey! I'm asking you, were you not the first to do that?
Hey! So we are the ones you are calling in that boy before, yeah? Just wait for me, I'm coming.
Did Adaka just talk? A short engine from Nusuka.
My friend, keep quiet. Me called boys for your mother. When?
Liar. You are denying it now. You are so scared that you are denying it.
Me? Scared of you? Is it just you or are you left anywhere else? If I call boys for your mother, do you think she'll be the same way she is?
You and your mother tell lies for Africa, so I'm not sure.
What did this to you?
Mama, please! Mama, my face! It's your face! Give me water! My face! Would you not get water? Get cold water! Cold water, Mama! Get cold water! Now find my face! I need it!
Where is the cold water? Mama, I will roast Nchedo today. I will burn her alive today.
Why is it that you love to knock two heads together? Eh? You caused all this.
Me? Mama, what did I do?
What didn't you do? You're always lying about what people did and what they did not do. If you had not come here to say that Oge came in here with men to beat us up, Uju would not have come with men to go and attack them.
Why, Nchedo would pour water on my aunt's face.
What did you expect?
3 men came into their house. They needed to protect themselves as girls. And that was why they poured the water.
The guys are not even correct, guys. Imagine, they were the first to run away. Now the hot water that was meant for them, that landed on my face. Mama, look, my face.
Don't worry, my daughter. Your face will heal. With this medication, it will heal faster than you will ever think. And the scar won't be there.
Mama, Mama, are you saying we should not do anything to Chedo?
We show you back. In a debut, you can see a manage. You're the one that broke out the poor woman's waist. And now this is because of you.
Was it not what Auntie told me to do? Let me see how they will enter this place again. I poured it on all of them. Those people ran, but she did not.
But why did you pour it on all of them?
Mama, Nchido pushed you down and you fell. You are still suffering from it. And you want me to allow those women there to come and rough handle you? No! No! That one is mortuary straight! No two ways about it.
Okay. You will go and apologize to your sister. Tell her that we are sorry. She's your sister. Oh?
Mama, I can never do something like that. Did she come here to apologize to you for what Amuche did? Did she? And she don't go. It is now 1-1. Draw. Don't go.
It was a big war last night. Did you hear? It was a serious war. I heard Uju came with some men to attack Mamoge and her maid.
Are you serious?
Very, very serious.
I was only hearing voices. I didn't know it was that serious. So.
Trust the Soka girl. She poured hot water on them. The boys ran away and Uju became the victim.
Yeah?
I'm telling you, if you see Uju now, she's in serious prospects. Serious one.
When will these women learn? When will they stop all this useless fighting and quarreling?
Stop. Why should they stop? How do you expect them to stop? So you mean Mazokro should be the only one that will die because of the fight? Hey. Let them continue. Someone else needs to join him.
Now wow.
Please.
Now wow, my friend.
Let me just arrange my shop. Now wow. Very wow.
Who told you to pour water on my auntie? And who told you to push my mother? Yeah? Wait. You're asking my question with another question. Yeah? You know this is not me. And nobody will stop us. Hey! Amuche, what? Amuche, if you try anything here, both of us will see on the next door. Yeah? Just try me. Just try me. Every time you are rocking your mouth like a parrot. If you don't know what it is. No need of saying anything. I want you to just swallow. Just touch me. Yes. Touch me. If I touch you. Yeah? I want you no need of acting like I said. Just touch me and see what comes. Yes, touch me. I'm touching. Hey! Touch me. I want you to touch me. I say yes. Ah! Touch me. Touch me. Ah! Hey!
That wanted to desecrate our sacred labor. Huh? You actually caught desecrating the sacred sanctity of this kingdom by polluting the sacred river of life of this peaceful community. Who told you can just fight anywhere? Eh? By the way, who are your respective parents? Who are your respective parents, tell me?
from Usuka.
Eh?
My auntie brought me here to take care of our mother for her.
Your auntie brought you into this kingdom to take care of her mother? Of which kingdom are they?
No, I don't know.
And you?
We are coming from the same compound.
Hey! I am lost. Totally lost. So, both of you live in the same compound. And the fast you do in that compound is no longer enough for you. You now decided to carry the fire to the sacred river of my community. The life wire of this kingdom. To pollute it, huh? Those your aunties and their mothers did not tell you that nobody is permitted to fight in that sacred river, not even to wash or to play anyhow in the river. Didn't they tell you? Didn't they tell you? Huh? I'm asking you.
He's not telling us anything.
Shut up your mouth. You should come. It's alright. Guards.
Your Highness.
Wait. You are big girl.
Guard. Nonsense. People will come from anywhere to this kingdom to give us this kind of trouble. My youths, I thank you so much. I appreciate your effort. Please keep your eyes open very well. Anytime you see those intruders and trying to pollute our kingdom or such things, do not hesitate to tell me. Thank you so much.
Who are those girls? Which family are they improve from, sir?
The truth is that they are trained strangers in this village. Their faces are new.
I heard that the wives of late Mazi Okoro in Omukam brought inmates, one from Nsukka, the other one from Abakaliki. I suspect those mates because I have heard so many stories that they have turned their compound into a war zone.
Oh!
Okay. So how then do we tell them that their new wrestlers are in the king's prison room because they violated the law of our land? Yes. Maybe we should take the message straight to them. You mean, okay. Look what happened here. Before we went there, I was actually doing something at home, eh? So I think I should go and finish it now. You guys, you can go, I will be joining you.
Okay. My bro, you have had it from me now. Me also have something to do at home, right? Let me be going.
Okay. Since you people did not want us to go there, then let me go to my house now.
She's fine, no, she's there. Yes, I wanted to ask, did you send a much on
No. I was about coming to ask you if you saw Nchedo. She went to fetch water since morning and she's not back. Maybe I should go look for them. Let me look for them myself.
I would appreciate that. Please hurry.
Okay.
Please, Please.
Is it not your house help that you're looking for? Those girls have defied our river. They fought inside the Yodo River. The youths have bundled them to Igwe's palace. Anyway, I was coming to inform you people. I have to leave.
They will kill us.
The one I find most painful is the fact that I know that the Igwe will tell us to perform the ritual cleansing before he will let those girls go for messing up the river. Eh?
With whose money?
With our money now. With our money. At least this one will teach us that living as enemies is not good.
Which? Are you not the cause of all the evil that has been happening in this family? Are you not the one?
It's you and your mother.
Also, no, mother. Why are you putting me inside this one? You're quarreling with a fellow young girl and you're putting mother inside it. Osquali.
Let us not blame each other. Is it not better? Because I don't know why those girls, I don't know why they would deprive us of the peace that we found in this compound. I don't know why. Let us send them back to their place and be using Obika's children. Let them be helping us as they've been doing before.
Mamogi, are you done?
Yes.
As for me, I am going back to Onitsha. I don't have any 1 naira to bring for purification sacrifice.
I've had enough damage already. Hey, let's leave them now. You see someone that is not married. Me, I'm going back to Onitsha too. I'm going back. Ha!
Have you seen it?
Udo ifugen.
Udoka.
Ifugonien. Amuche na nche. Ekwe isuden. Have you seen what we are causing? But we are the one that started this. Eh? Yes. Started this. Every time you are working your mouth like a parrot. Look at the condition you landed us now. Every time you be looking for someone's trouble, Amuche. Look at the same condition you have landed us now. Yeah? See, I swear, if you talk to me anyhow in this place, I will beat you. If I beat you, hey, Jimmy, Makachuku, if you try it, I want you. If you try it, both of us will die here. Just try it. Oh, see, let me tell you. Is it because you are from our Africa? Your people cannot do anything. They cannot do us anything. Because Abuchi, you are a man. Huh? Yes, me. Abuchi, you are a man. What are you coming now? You are a man. Yes.
Let's go and see.
Stop! It's not time! Stop! I am talking to you! Are you stupid? I am talking to you! What are you doing? Come on! Stop, please! Let's go, coach.
You guess how useless and motherless you are. Right in my palace here. You had the audacity. I mean, the guts to fight each other. But this, they have also shown me that I'm stupid by just throwing into the palace without any plans. It's okay. God, bind them hands and feet and throw them back into prison. Weak!
Is it not better for them? Is it not better for them? Did you hear any sign of shouting or quarreling this morning? Let them stay there. It's better for them.
I'm saying this because I'm going back to Onitsha. My husband is already complaining.
Just go. have been here even before you brought that troublesome girl from Nsukka. And I will continue being here. Just go.
I'm just worried because if I leave you here, you'll be forced to send Obika's children on errand. Eh? But if you stay here with somebody, I'll be relaxed and visit you anytime I feel like.
I said I'm fine. Just go. Better stay. Go inside. Take her bags and give it to her at that palace. Eh? Let her go to her father's compound from there.
Mama, she'll come and pick her bags when she's released. Biko, I'm going, please.
Madam. Bye-bye.
Properly done. Else you will not like your face after you get
Why? Are they not the same thing? What difference will it make? Nurse, please. I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Will my face return back the way it was exactly?
At least the difference will not be much. But if proper treatment is not given to it, I'm afraid the other side of your face will be fairer than the other. So allow me to do what I have to do, okay?
Hi. Oh, please do something, please.
Yes, allow me to treat it. Allow me. I wonder what makes your fellow human being pour this kind of hot water on your face.
My dear, this serves her right. I kept warning my wife against unnecessary quarrels with her stepmother and the daughter. She wouldn't listen. Now look at what she has caused to herself. Next time she will step down. Anytime she sees quarrel or fight, she will run.
Sir, this is not time for blames. At least she's in pain.
Hey, don't. I will keep, see, as far as these cars are there, I will keep blaming her. I'll blame her in the morning, night and afternoon. I don't know if you're getting it. Even before she embarked on this journey, I want her. She was like, I'm going there within that wave. I'm going there within that wave. She got there, then that wave she got disappointed her. Imagine.
Even at that, Oga, she's still your wife.
Come on, don't do that.
Take care of your wife and stop blaming her now.
Treat what you're doing.
Okay. Oh, it's one man. Good morning.
I hope you slept well. Okay, Biko, I just wanted to ask. Those girls that have been locked up in the Igwe's palace, what do you think? What are we going to do about them?
Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm hoping that you will suggest something. You know, you people are the educated ones. If you can help to bring them out. They're also somebody's children. No?
You know, where is your daughter? Has she not gone back to Onitsha? Me, I'm also going back to Onitsha. I am married the same way she's married. So whatever you want, you do.
Mamuju.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. I hope you had a good night.
Yes, my dear.
What actually brought me is the case of those girls that are still in the Igwe's prison. I think we should do something about it. I mean, it's not fair. These children came into this compound because of us. And now they're there. It's like we've abandoned them. Let's try and see if we can bring them out.
Mamuju, are you not enjoying the way we are talking peacefully and a quiet atmosphere that we've been enjoying since yesterday.
Hey! Of course I'm enjoying it.
There's nothing as nice as peace. Mana, please. These are people's children. We can't just abandon them. Let's bring them out. Then we will now call the people that brought them to us and hand them over to them. That way we'll have better peace.
What you said is good though. It's a very good idea. Very nice. But the point is that I don't have money. Fadim.
Money. Let's leave the money factor first. We will go to Igwe's house, find out how much everything is going to cost. Then we'll now start looking for a source to bring in the money.
Very good though. This one is very good. But maybe you should go alone. Because you still remember that my waist pain?
Yes.
It's still paining me. It's still here.
Yes. Hey. Sorry. That waist. Do you know what happened last night? Hey! I woke up in the night. This my left leg was just turning on its own. I tried to hold it, the leg was still turning. I'm telling you, since then, the leg has been aching. So since you don't want to go because of your waist pain, let me relax because of my leg pain. Let the children be there. We cannot force ourselves to go and bring them out. Sorry about the waist pain.
Sorry about your leg.
Thank you, my sister. God bless you. Kanje. Hey, this leg safe. Get smart. Waste. One got started.
Does it mean that the people that own those girls do not know that? How can people be this wicked? Someone living with you in the same house left the house for one whole day. Never came back. And you really care to know whether they are alive or not. Or whatever is holding them. It's amazing. Does any of you know where those girls come? I don't know, but I overheard one of the palacemen saying she knows where they come from. Really? Yes, Your Highness. Then, someone will be made us. Yes, sir. It's a surprising thing to me. Nobody cares to class of prisoners. If anything happened to them, now tell me, do you know the guardians of any of those girls in my custody? Do you know where they live?
Yes, I know that. Yes, they are from my kindred.
Oh, very good, very good. Yeah. Take one more card with you. While you lead the way, bring their guardians here. You are free to go. Yes, Your Highness. Now go. Go.
I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a chama Torobo. In a chamuku. I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a mono tata generator. Mbebugi. You wanna respect. In my ponyambo. Mbegosigi. Jepa USA. Kafagwagi. Onyambo. Me and you know there for the same category. In a chama Torobo. In a chamuku. I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a chama Torobo. In a chamuku. I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a chama Torobo. In a chamuku. I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a chama Torobo. In a chamuku. I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a chama Torobo. In a chamuku. I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a chama Torobo. In a chamuku. I go show you Torobo. I'm up on also. In a mono tata generator. Mbebugi. You wanna respect. In my ponyambo.
Mama Oge, I am back again. Back to beg you, let us go to the palace and find out exactly what is happening. And how to get them out from
Mamuju, what is it that you don't understand? Simple thing, why won't you understand it? That my waist is shattered. This place that I'm sitting now, do you know that for me to stand up will take more hours? Eh?
And you better will bring both of you to the palace.
And now, let's go.
Yes.
Follow us! How can you be so selfish, so wicked, not to ask of those girls? Eh? You not even dare to ask whether they eat or not. Is this not gross inhumanity? Answer me! Now, go ahead.
I told my co-wife that we should come and see. But she refused.
Huh?
Yes.
You!
It's not true.
Are you beating her in my presence?
I just
Okay, behave yourself.
so that their heads should be cool. When they come back, they will not be fighting like cat and dogs.
You see, that was why I was not happy. You should have come here and explained to me. I would have understood all this because I witnessed what you are saying now with my eyes in this palace. My annoyance is that you failed to come to identify that they come from your house. Eh? You didn't care to know their whereabouts. Did you do well? Did you do well? It's okay. Now, you go out as fast as possible. Go back home. Come back with 2 rounds. Listen. 7 tubers of yams. And 7 heads of cola nut. For us to appease the gods and cleanse our land because these your words have polluted our land. We need to cleanse the land. The mom must perform the cleansing ritual. So you must be fast about this. Okay. Now stand up fast and go and get those items now before I lose my temper. Guys! Help them up. Let them fetch them up. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Yes. Why did you tell me that we're going to bring those items?
Didn't you see his reaction when you asked him that question? Oh, you want that man to vent his anger on us? Hey, Biko.
Is it not better we tell him the truth? Eh? Is it not better we tell him the truth? Maybe he will have mercy on us. Than telling him that we will do it at the end of the day, we will disappoint him.
All you have to do is call your daughter, Oge, and her husband. And they will provide the money for you to buy your own thing. As for me, I will call Uchu and her husband. Once they give me the money, I'll buy my own things and I'll go and drop it there.
Chikwa, Mamuju, you want me to call my daughter and the husband? You want them to spend money unnecessarily? Yeah. I will not call anybody.
Hey.
I will not call anybody.
Okay, that is your business. So me, I'll call Uju. Once I get my own bit, I will go and give it to the Igwe.
Go and submit. Go and give them. If you want to go and give. If Igwe calls me, I will tell him that I don't have the money. Finish.
Yeah. Mama, okay, get now my eka, una eka. You go on the boy, now. Yeah. I know that Uju and her husband. Hello, Ujunwa.
Yes, Mama.
Dikeh, how are you?
Mama, I'm fine.
Ujunwa, you won't believe what happened. Do you know that Dikeh sent his guards to come and pick Mama Oge and Ayo? He took us to the palace. Dikeh was for letting those two girls spend the night in the palace cell. They said we should provide some things so that they would have a ritual. Cleansing ritual, that was what he called it.
Which items?
He said we should provide 2 rams, big rams, 7 tubers of yam, and 7 big kola nuts. We are supposed to share it between Mama Oga and myself. She will bring her own half, I will bring my own half. That is why I'm calling you. So that you can help your mother.
Hey. So, are you saying I should give you some money or what?
Where do you expect me to get the money from?
Mama, listen. If you are calling me to contribute 1 naira for the sake of those evil girls, count me out. My 1 naira, will not be part of it. Not after what those evil girls did to me. Mama, if you know how you want to raise the money, you can go on your own and raise the money. Count me out. My 1 naira, I repeat, will not be part of it.
Uju, can you imagine? This girl dropped the phone on me. Uju. Nobody's interested, right? So what do you? Why should I bother myself? Let them rot there now. Nonsense.
In Amokwa. Money.
It is now very obvious to you girls that even your mothers are fed up with you. They don't come here. They don't come for you. I sent for them. And one more day now, they're not here. If you like, when you get home, become responsible there. If you don't like, continue to fight each other. All I know, I'm not going to keep you in my company because you're not my servants. Therefore, will you stand up there and get it? Rise and go home! Monsieur le Kounier là-bas! Man. Go!
My sister, what I don't understand is the reason these girls guide them found to come for them ever since they were brought in this house. If you let their guidance, me off. It is something that will work their best. Maybe by the time they come out of that place, they would have learned something. Why are you looking like this? Anyway, for me, I'll set my own. You see, I don't want to get involved in this type of matter. Please, I was busy when you called me. So, I'm out of here.
After all she told me to be doing to me, so her demand the abandonment.
What about me? What about me? What about me that took the risk of pouring hot water on those men's face? And madam, my auntie, they did not come to me at all. Don't come to me, they don't ask of me, let alone coming to release me. Amuche, no food for me. No water. They just left me. Okay.
These people are using you.
Yes, so. Yes, they are using us. In fact, we are fools here. We are the fools. But no. You see, no problem. Only what they know is to go and ask us to go and fight. Fight for them. But once beaten, always shine. No problem. No problem.
So you say I should not go?
Yes, so. Don't go. Don't go at all. How much if you go now? It will be as if you don't have sense. Your sense is senseless. See, Amuche, let me tell you. Come, let me tell you. Amuchi, how manage? The family.
He told us to go.
Just like that?
Just like that, though. Just like that. He told us to go.
Eh? Let me ask, what about the ritual, the cleansing? What did he say about it?
He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything, no. Amuche said the truth. He did not.
Hey. Wait. Before you start thanking God, both of you listen. You see, ever since you left this compound, we've been enjoying peace. There is nothing like shouting, quarreling, or fighting. So if you will stay in this compound, you must abide by our rules. And that is living in peace. Anything less than that, you go back to your father's house. Do I make myself clear?
Is she not talking to both of you? Yes.
Oh yeah.
Hey, this woman.
Hey! What did you people do today?
Nothing. You don't do anything. Nothing. No food for us.
You mean you and your co-fighter? You people did not eat anything since that day?
Mama, we did not eat anything. Mama, that man is a little bit small wicked. He didn't give us anything.
You were in that place.
Yes.
On all the eatables and drinkables in the palace. He did not give you people, not even a plate of rice.
Mama, so we see him. That man is wicked. He's wicked.
It's okay. Better for you people. Tomorrow go and fight. Go inside the kitchen. There's food in there. After that, take gallon, rush to the stream and fetch water for me. There's no water in the house.
Okay, Mama, thank you. So, thank you.
Amuchi, did they give you people food when we were over?
Yes, they gave us rice and chicken that day. And that night, they gave us nsala soup and fresh fish. And this morning, we ate okwa and tea.
And there was I worried about you people, thinking that you had nothing to eat. Hey.
Mama, we did not want to go. Is it way that called us? He told us to go. Mama, for us, Mama. We don't want to go. We want to stay and eat more good food.
Yes, are you sure you ate good food?
Yes, Mama.
Because you're looking so skinny. Even the color of your eyes have changed.
Mama, maybe because we were staying at a place.
Oh, I see. That is possible. Well, you're welcome back.
Thank you.
Later, I'm going to give you money to go to the market so you can buy the things we will need to prepare dinner. But you will rest when you get up. Then you will go. Okay.
Thank you. So, the good food, let me eat up before we die here now.
Amuche, your madam did not cook any food.
She did not. She did not though. She even had the guts to send me to the market to go and buy stockfish.
But she knows that you have not eaten anything since 3 days. Hey, your madam is wicked though.
Don't mind her. Don't mind that woman. She was busy asking me what they give me at the palace. God, do you know what I told her? I called her all the nice dishes in the whole world. And that idiot was believe everything. Shh.
Seems like this will come finish them. Look for us and get tired of looking for us.
I'm tired of staying with these people.
Hey, Amuchi! Amuchi, why is it that the sense inside your brain is senseless? How can you think of going? Okay, see, if you go now, you'll be the one losing. There is not know. But if we do as we plan, by the time we will be going, we must have achieved many things and go. Don't go.
It's okay. Let's try this your next time. Maybe it will work.
It will work well.
Mamuju! Mamuju! Please, don't be offended though. What? Did you send my girl on an errand?
Your girl? No. As a matter of fact, I was getting ready to come and see you. I wanted to know whether you sent Amuche somewhere.
No. No, I didn't send her anywhere. Do you know that my girl went to fetch water? Close to 3 hours. I've not seen her.
Children of nowadays, I wonder what they want to become. My own Amuche, I sent her to go and buy fish. Fish that we'll use and make dinner. She's still not back. Just to a market here.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
What are you
Maybe they went outside and started fighting. They started fighting again.
Fighting? No, it's not possible because they went their separate ways. Your girl went out on her own, my own went out on her own.
Where are we going to look for these girls?
Hey, look for them.
Come here. Hey, get up and what are I said it, that those girls will put us into trouble one day. Look at it. That's happened.
I guess we don't have a choice. We have to look for them.
Where exactly are we going to look for them? Where?
I don't know, but we could visit neighbors, ask people. Maybe somebody that had seen them early in the morning or in the afternoon would be able to give us some vital information that we'll use and find them.
With this my waist pain. That is what I'll be using to be moving up and down like a mad woman. If I say I'm not going anywhere now, you will be the first person to say I'm wicked. If I say I'm going back now, you will say I'm a very wicked woman.
Don't go back. I've not said anything. Even you're the one shouting at me. And I'm not even getting angry. Sorry about the waist pain, but we could just manage. Let's go and look for them. They are people's children, you know.
Please, my children are including my wife. I cannot wake them up simply because of those your irresponsible girls.
You don't have to tell them to come out. But you can talk to them inside and just
Ask them. If they tell you where they saw them, then we will follow up on that.
Even if I saw them, it's of no relevance to you people. You have nothing to do with it. So you better start going home.
Okay, Master, just tell us where to start our search from. Maybe from one or a game. That's all. We'll go from there.
Now you people have come. Very good. By the time you start from one house to the other, in this village, community, you'll be able to see them. So you better start going. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Do you know what will happen? Let's go. Okay. Maybe tomorrow we'll continue with the search.
Well, because we are tired.
As I was buying the fish, I gave the woman money. She gave me fish. As I wanted to go, 4 boys stopped me. They were beating me. They lifted me up. Mama, and my fish and everything fell off. Mama, before I knew, I saw myself as the parents. Mama. Ezemo was very, very angry. Igwe was taking him. Igwe told them to put me back to the prison room. Mama, do you know what? I saw Jenny. She said they brought her from the street. This night, Igwe told us to go.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
I hope they will not come tomorrow to look for you people. No. I just lost my money and my fish.
Yes.
Did they perform the cleansing rites on you people?
It's like they did though.
Are you done with your food?
It's my own small. Mama, I thought you were the person that owns that palm fruit at the backyard.
Everything is belongs to you. And we'll share them in common. The one at the back of my kitchen is my own. The one in the front belongs to my mom.
I said it. But I don't know who packed everything and joined it to her own.
It's a lie.
Hey, Mama, if you doubt it, come and see it.
Mama, you can never try such nonsense.
Hey! Mamuju! Get here! Get up on them! Chill. Wait. Abuchi! Who brought my pan nuts here? I'm on them. Who brought my pan nuts here?
I don't know.
I'm asking you, who picked my pan nuts? Who brought it here?
I heard my madam saying that she needs small to complete her own. Maybe she's the one that took her own. Mama, I don't know.
Oh, man. NTA News.
What is it?
Mama! Hey. Mama!
What is it now?
Your co-wife is packing all your palm fruits.
My palm fruits?
Yes.
When? How? Where? For what occasion now?
Mama, come, let me show you. Mama, run!
Yeah? Mama, okay. Why are you picking my palm fruits?
Who told you to come and pack my palm fruits to this place?
Pack your palm fruits.
It's me.
Hey, I'm even talking, you're still packing them. Mama, okay, stop picking my palm fruits. I'm talking to you.
Now, if you know what is good for you, just keep quiet. Let me pack all my palm fruit that you stole from my house.
Me? Stole from you? Look at this woman, oh. So you're not calling me a thief? What are we even talking about? Leave my palm fruit alone.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Now you know that Mamuju, I will kill you.
Wife's palm fruits and add them to my own.
Me? I'm not the one that do it though.
Well, shut up! You're just a liar.
Mama, I am not a liar. I am not a liar. I am not the one that did it.
So who did it?
Mama, I saw...
Oh, just shut up! You didn't see anybody. You're the one that did it.
Mama, I will not talk again though. I saw the one that did it, but I will not talk again.
I'm warning you now. You're the only one in this compound that would do such a thing. And I'm warning you now to go and return those palm fruits. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm not fear. You're still sleeping. I said go and return those things.
To be fighting each other every day. Now, the reverse is the case. Those people, they don't know where I'm coming from. Our people know they carry last at all. See, this one now is the beginning. This is just the beginning. Yes. Come. What is going to be the next line of action now? Let us wait till the heat of this last one subsides. Then we will know what else to do. Because if we rush on it now, it won't make any sense at all. But if we wait and start another one, hey, if we are going to hit another one now, it will scatter the whole compound. Now you wait. Wait. Now you come. I don't know that you have this sense. This girl, you are too much.
Wake up!
Allow me to rest.
Mama, wake up! This one is no matter of allowing you to rest, Mama. Wake up! Hey! Mama, wake up!
Uche, what is it?
It's like a thief entered our compound. No!
A thief?
Yes, so. You see that your plantain? Mama, that's your plantain! Yes. I heard noise and I looked. I saw somebody that is harvesting that plantain. And Mama, it seems...
Nchedo? Mama, let this not be your usual lies.
Mama, no. Me, lie. I can't lie. Mama, it seems like it's Mamuju that employed that man to harvest our plantain. Yes. Mama, it seems you're doubting me. Okay, let's go to the backyard. You'll see it.
Ogodo! Is it not Ogodo that I'm seeing? Ogodo! Why? Hey! Ogodo! Why are you out there? Is that really you? Hey! This Ogodo! What are you doing in my backyard? I'm aware. Aware of what? The co-wife told me to come the plantains. We have already concluded on the price. Mamuju told you. So this is what is going on in this compound. Ogodo? She told me
that Mazi Obanye has already bargained with you people. That you people have already concluded with him. But my price is higher. That is why she asked me to come by this time.
Hi!
Now you say that I'm lying. Mama, your co-wife called somebody and that person is harvesting your plantain at backyard.
I've never seen someone lie as much as you. You would stand there, you think you can stand there and tell me that my co-wife is harvesting my plantain?
Mama!
I think I would believe you.
Mama, I'm not lying.
Nonsense.
Mama, can't you hear voices at the backyard? Mama, you think I'm lying? Come and see them. Mama, come and see them. You think I'm lying? Come and see them.
Hey! Oh, Godo.
Okay, I will add 1,200. Who are you bargaining with? You, of course.
Hey!
Mama Ogi, so you're like this? You want to sell the plantain that belongs to both of us without letting me know?
The best. Ogodo, were you not the one that told me that Mamu Jugia sent you to come and cut the plantain?
Hey!
I got you here cutting the plantain and I asked you what you are doing at my backyard. You said Mamuju asked you to come and cut it. That you even settled with the price.
Mamuju? Hey! What won't I hear? Ogodo, who sent you to cut the plantain?
Mamoge, of course. Mamoge.
When? Look at me, Ogodo, you are a thief. You are a thief!
Ogodo, just tell me the truth. Who sent you to cut the plantain?
Were you not the person that asked me to say if anybody comes around, I should say the person is responsible?
Hey!
Yes.
This man, sent you to do what?
I'm on over there. I can't see the jet because married my parents. They want to kill me. Hey! People, come on! These women want to kill me. Let me say it.
Say the truth!
It is this your mess that is causing me. They were the people that asked me to do this. Yes.
Why ask you? And why?
Your housemates, of course.
Why?
Because they said they will give me something. Something. Understand something now?
You have caught that man. Let's run away now. Don't we? I don't want us to run to.
Now? At your age, as old as you are, old cargoes, that is very close to his grave. You want something from little girls with what, self? That are young enough to be your grandchildren. Right? You want something from them.
You want something?
Please find out from them.
Where are those children? Where are Amutu?
Find out from them. Hey, man! Hey!
Hey! Mama, do you know this girl is gone? I went into the room. I searched. Nothing. No bag. Nothing.
These children, they used us.
Sonchedu too is gone.
Not even has a pass. But I told you, let's continue living the way we were before. You said no.
But I was the one that called for peace. Then sometimes you will do that your
You know?
I know Mwazi and Mani 40. Well, maybe we're better off.
Maybe I need 40. We'll learn to our lesson.
It's okay.
Udo, Udo Kamba, let's live together.